So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the elimination method in solving a simultaneous equation. So when you are given a question like this, 2a plus 5b is equal to 20, and 3a minus 2b equals negative 46. So this is your equation 1 and equation 2. And you want to use the elimination method instead of the substitution method. Then you have to take into consideration the coefficient of the two of this a. So the a in equation 1 and a in equation 2. The coefficients are not the same. So first you have to make sure you make the coefficient of the a variable, or if it is x in equation 1 and equation 2. So the simplest way, if they are all prime numbers, you just multiply the two numbers together. So you have 2 times 3 will give us 6. So that will be their meeting point or their common factor. So you just interchange them. So these 3 will multiply this whole equation, and these 2 will multiply equation 2, and then you will get 6 as a common coefficient. So multiply equation 1 by 3. So you multiply each term of equation 1 by 3. So we have 3 times 2a plus 3 times so we simplify the expression, the equation. So we are having 6a plus 15b equals to 60. So this is our equation 3 after multiplying. And then the next one, will multiply equation 2 by 2. So the coefficient of the first one will multiply by the second equation. So we have 2 times 3a minus 2 times 2b is equal to 2 times minus 46. So we simplify the expression, which will have this one give us 6a minus 4b, which will be equal to negative 6. 2 times 6 will give us 12 carry 1. This one 8, so 92, negative 92. So this one will be our equation 4. So now that we are having equation 3 and equation 4 coefficient the same, we can now use the elimination method to eliminate them. So we'll subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So now we are subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. So we take this one, subtract it from this one, take this one, subtract it from this one, take this one, subtract it from this one. So we have 6a minus this 6a, which will give us 0. Then we have plus 15b minus, so this one is already minus, we put it in bracket, minus 4b is equal to 60 minus 92. We are subtracting all of this one from this one, so those with the minus, put them into brackets so that it will not confuse you. This is the subtraction we are doing, and this is their own subtraction they are having. So 6a minus 6a will give us 0, so I will not write it. Okay, for 0. Then we have 15b minus or negative will give us positive. So 4b equals 60 4 plus 92. So when you solve for b, that will be the value for b. So we are simplifying the equation. This plus this one will give us 19. 15b plus 4b will give us 19b, which will be equal to 60 plus 90. So we have 2 here, we have 150. So we divide both sides by 19. So 19 will go into itself 1, and 90 will go into 158 times. So therefore our b will be equal to 8. So now that we've had the value for b, we can choose to put the b in any of the equations. You can choose to put it in this equation or this one, any of them. So I'm using equation 1. I'm putting the value of b in equation 1. So I'm having equation 1 is 2a plus 5b is equal to 20. So I'm having my 2a here plus the 5, the b is now 8, is equal to 20. So we have 2a plus 5 times 8 will give us 40, which will be equal to, we group like terms. So group like terms. So we have 20 here. When this one comes to the other side of the equal to, it will become negative 40. So now we simplify the equation. This one gives us negative 20, positive 20 minus 40 will give us negative 20, not 20, negative 20, because this side is bigger than this side. So we divide both sides by 2. Then we have a equals negative 10. 2 going to 1 going to 20 10 times. Therefore, the value for a and b is negative 10 positive 8. So this is using the elimination method.